Delta Milwaukee table saw. It's got 69 centimeters. It's got a fully adjustable fence, and you can bring it out to 90. Basically 700 by 900. Your fence you can lock, or you can reposition. Maybe do it that way. It's got a sliding mitre. You got your belt guard, your blade guard, sorry. You've got a riving knife. This whole thing comes back if you want to use it just as the table. You've got a rise and fall of about 3 inches. You can tilt the table through 45 degrees. The thing is in fantastic condition and turns on just fine. Single phase motor. Everything sounds really good. Made in the USA. It's heavy, and the table can be taken off, but you can fit it in a station wagon.